Hi friends, my name is Anita Kushwaha. I live in Bocha village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. I stay with my parents and two younger brothers. I study in college. Besides studying, I teach young children. I also keep honeybees. All this has not been easy for me. When I was young, I used to spend all my time with my goats as they grazed for food. I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girls going to school. So let us see my story. Hello students, today we are going to study class 4th, chapter 5, Anita and the Honeybees. Today we are going to study the true story of a girl, Anita Kushwaha. That is a girl star. What is Girl Star? Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their life by going to school. So Anita Kushwaha, the first female beekeeper in the Bocha village. She was born to a very poor family and wanted to study. Her parents did not support her. Then one of the teachers in her village explained to her parents why it is important to study. The teacher told them they would not have to pay anything for their children up to class 8th. The teacher said it was the right of every children to go to school. Somehow her parents agreed and she started going to school. Time passed and soon when she completed class 5, she knew that she would not need to spend more in class 6th. Her parents said that it was a time for her to leave school, but she wanted to study more. She found a way to do this. She started to teach younger children from the money that she got. She was able to continue her own studies. Slowly, she started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. Her parents also started helping her in her work. Her mother used to do all the housework so that she could get more time to study. There are many lychee trees in her area. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. She thought that she could also do this. She joined a course run by government to learn about this. She was the only girl in this course. During her training, she found that honeybees lay their eggs from September to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. She completed her beekeeping course, but she did not have money keep her own bees and start work. She continued to teach and with time could collect rupees 5,000. With this money, she bought two boxes for keeping bees. Each box cost rupees 2,000. With the remaining money, she bought sugar to make syrup for honey bees and medicine to clean the beehives. That was in September. By December, she had so many bees that she had to buy two more boxes. She was still learning about beekeeping. Many times the bees would sting her and her hands and face would get slower. Many times the bees would sting her and her hands and face get swollen. It would pain a lot. How could she complain to anybody? She herself has decided to do this work. The lychee trees come to flower in February. She put all her four boxes near the lychee orchards. She got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. She sold this honey in the market. This was her first earning from her bees. Now she have 20 boxes. Every day she cycled to her college. Her college is in the town, 5 kilometers away. When she go to college, her mother prepares the syrup for the bees. Her father looks after the bees and takes the honey out of the boxes. Now, now let us know more about Anita. Anita is known by everyone in all the villages nearby. She goes to all the village meetings and talk about how important it is for everyone to study. Sometimes people make fun of her, but Anita knows what she wants to do. She does exactly what she wants to. Anita wants to become a wholesaler so that she can help the villagers to get the right price for their honey. Every beehive have one queen bee that lay eggs. There are only a few males in the hive. Most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. These bees work all the day. They make the hive and also look after the baby bees. They fly around flowers in search of nectar. They collect nectar from flowers for honey. When one bee finds flowers with nectars, it does a special kind of dance by which the other bees can know where the nectar is. The worker bees are very important for the hive. Without worker bees, there would be neither hive nor any nectar collection. All bees in the hive would go hungry. The male bees have no special role as workers. Ants live and work together like honeybees. The queen ant lay the eggs. The soldier ants look after and guard the ants' nest. Worker ants are always busy looking for food and bringing it to the nest. Termites and wasps also live like this. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So we should also have the courage like Anita to pursue our dreams. Thank you, students. Take care.